Hi, how you doing? I came to do the key thing.
It started doing the battery thing, the battery saver.
Battery, okay.
So I was trying
Let me connect some cables to it. Maybe, you know, that helps it as well. Let me pop the hood. So the theft just happened out of nowhere, boss? Or did the key got wet or something? Not really. Pasó de repente nomás.
Ah, sí.
Sí, no se le cayó la llave o algo, o se le mojó.
La llave siempre se me cae.
Siempre se le cae.
Like it was just right now. Well, not right now. No.
Tiene buen voltaje. Ok, si tiene la llave, por favor. Gracias. Got the theft light, but I think this is the problem. Mire el problema.
Le dije a pues, I couldn't take it off.
Sí, así les pasa cuando tienen el no, es okay, cuando tienen ese bling ahí, corta la señal con la llave y por eso no prende. Sí, así pasa. Just to come out here, $60. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, not a problem. Thank you so much. I'm glad I was able to help you. If you ever need anything else, give me a call, okay? Thank you. Y'all have a good night.